if you bought something like a Nest thermostat or some other thermostat that requires a C. The majority of thermostats out there don't have a C wire run from the furnace to the thermostat. You can pull off your thermostat and look there and see if there's a C hooked up. But some of these thermostats won't work without a C. We need that to power the thermostat. There's another way you can go around this. If you have a G on your thermostat, it'll be a green wire going to G. If you have a G, then you may be able to make this work. And I'm going to show you how to do this to test to see whether it works. Now right here we have IFC, control board, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I've taken all the wires off of this, and that's what I'd do if I was you too. Take a picture of it before you do it. Make sure you get the wires back in the right ones. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to jumper from R to Y. Now, if you jumper from R to Y, now here I'm going to put a jumper in here now. This isn't hooked up, so it's not going to start. But okay, if you hook between those two terminals with a jumper wire, and you can use a piece of thermostat wire or anything, whatever you've got, and the fan comes on, you have to make sure this door button is pushed down. That shuts off everything. If the fan starts when you jumper there, then you can remove your G from the thermostat, hook it to C, and take the G off of the control board and put it to C. Now that's going to provide you with a C or common. You will not be able to turn your fan to the on position once you do that. You can turn it there, it won't do anything. But that's a way you can get a C wire. Now this is only going to work on fairly new furnaces. This one here is the early 2000s. It's actually got a replacement board in it. But a lot of the newer boards, you don't need the G unless you just wanted to run the fan only. The board can figure out when you energize Y, when you're turning on your air conditioner, that it'll turn on the fan too. So it's as simple as that. Just that little jumper in there, test it. If it works and you don't have enough wires, otherwise, go ahead, use your G for common. Hope this all makes sense, and I hope it works for you.